In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Square Website Builder. We'll move from a fresh account to a live website, keeping everything simple and clear so you can hit publish with confidence. First, sign in to your Square account. From the main dashboard, head to the Online or Website section and choose Create Site or Get Started. This opens the site builder and walks you into your first decisions. Next, pick a design that matches your goal. Square offers layouts for online stores, service-based sites, and straightforward informational pages. Choose a style that feels close to what you need. You can change details later. Then customize the look. Set your colors, fonts, and logo so everything reflects your brand. Keep readability in mind. Choose a font that's easy to scan and a color palette with enough contrast. Consistency across headings, buttons, and images makes your site feel professional. Now add pages and content. In the editor, open pages and create the essentials like Home, About, Shop, and Contact. On each page, add text, images, videos, or galleries as needed. Use short paragraphs, clear headings, and high-quality images that aren't too large to keep load times fast. Add descriptive captions where helpful, and give images meaningful alt text for accessibility. If you plan to sell, build your catalog. In the Square dashboard, open Items or Item Library, and add products or services with titles, descriptions, prices, and photos. Organize them into categories so visitors can quickly find what they need. Clear product descriptions and consistent photos go a long way toward better conversions. Set up how orders will be fulfilled. Choose shipping, in-store pickup, local delivery, or any combination that fits your business. Square's payment processing is built in, so enable the options you want at checkout. If it applies to you, configure taxes, shipping rates, and other store settings so totals calculate correctly. Choose your domain. You can launch on a free Square subdomain or connect or purchase a custom domain for stronger branding. If you connect a custom domain, allow a little time for it to propagate. Before going live, use Preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Click through links, check images, and make sure text is easy to read. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your site is now live at the domain or subdomain you selected. After publishing, manage your site from dashboard, then online. You can edit pages, add content, and update items anytime. If you're selling, you'll receive order notifications and can manage inventory, fulfill orders, and track customers, all inside Square.